Tookie, don't touch me.
Tookie, so Tookie.
Look at
Tookie got some serious mental problems. I mean, she's
Carrie, but she was glad to see it.
It looks dead.
It's not.
It's not dead. Don't touch. What you?
See, it's not dead.
Get the stuff picked up. Get the stuff up.
Oh.
You're gonna kill that bird. Because that bird is too little to be away from the swamp.
Well, I'm gonna put it back with his mom in the tree.
It was with his mom.
No, it was on the floor.
Come on, Kim.
Just cheeping, chirping, cheeping, chirping.
And I tell you, you don't get on my TV no more. Since you got something on that Instagram you don't nobody see, that's what that has.
You can just go to the page. It's not.
No.
But you have to log in to go to.
No, all you have to do.
That's what I asked you to do.
Kevin has Instagram.
No, I asked you to do it.
I already told Granny. I was only on it because
Okay,
Marcellus.
then go on Alexa's page and they can see it.
Okay.
You didn't need my
No, but
page.
why you wouldn't do it?
Exactly, because you saved it.
Yeah, why
it's
you-
easier.
I unsaved it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.